The cream sport loop from Apple. Good vibes all around. I did an unboxing video of this last weekend. Link in the description if you missed it. It's $49 and is available in all sizes for all generation Apple Watches. I'll be giving you my honest review, including matching watch faces, practicality, and what to wear with it to help you see if it works for you or not. Give it a like if it helps and subscribe for more. Let's open it. This is the lightest color for sport loops this season. It's a sweet color that reminds me of a birthday cake. Comment below if it's almost your birthday. These colors give it a fun personality that isn't too intense. But I'm not happy with how the color looks on the material. Compared to other sport loops, it's a great quality nylon, but its synthetic texture doesn't look good with a cream color. It honestly reminds me of plastic, though I didn't get that impression from far away. That aside, it's all about that cream color. The orange is slightly pale, but still rich enough to have presence. And the light blue edge balances the two. I noticed the deep navy sport loop also had that same colored edge. It brings together this sweet color blocking that makes me want dessert. I can't wait to see how good it looks on the gold Apple Watch. After sliding in both ends, put your hand through the loop and pull to tighten. Then close it with a Velcro end. As expected from Apple, it's good quality, comfortable, and Velcro is strong. Though I do notice this season, you need to press harder on the Velcro for it to hold stronger. It is breathable compared to your other options, so sweating's fine, but I hate getting it soaked because it retains water. So far I've been able to match it with so many watch faces. Again, use any color on it as a guide. My favorite's typograph in both dials. I like how customizable stripes is, and count up, for an option that has more complications. White watch faces, one more with cream. Even the busy watch faces work. You can never go wrong with the classics. As a sport loop, the first thing I think of is activewear. I found it matched most of my wardrobe. But it also works with everyday casual wear. It's fun to bring out any color in the band and don't even worry about too many limitations. Cream counts as a neutral color, so it matches a wide variety. This way you can wear it when you're in the mood for the color. Earth tones are also great with it. Out of the three colors, cream stands out more, so sometimes I just ignore the other two colors when feeling carefree. That's the way I do it sometimes. Color blocking can definitely be fun. In conclusion, I do love the color and how I can match it with so much. But to me, the material does not look good with the color. If you don't mind that, it's a great band for you. I hope this helps. If so, give it a like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.